Today we're going to do a full face of Revolution Cosmetics. This is one of the brands that is quite underrated and quite good. A drugstore brand that works well for me. It's quite good quality. It stirs on my face and it is something that is quite affordable. So one of those brands that I use for everyday use when I want to change things up a bit. That's the Revolution Skin Hyaluronic Acid, and this is the Miracle Cream from Revolution Cosmetics that I apply mostly during winter. I apply it on the days that I'm feeling my skin is a bit dry, or in summer as well. It's quite hydrating, which I like about this cream. And for the primer, we are going to use two products. We're going to use the Revolution Blur Stick Bright. This is a blurring primer that just reduces the pores in the center of my face, and you can also use this on top of your makeup, and it does work for me. I apply it gently when I have to apply it on top of my makeup. Then we're going to apply the Bright and Light 4-in-1 Face Glow. So today I'm going to be very quick. I've woken up early to do this makeup, and my son has a test as well. So I thought I'd wake him up and do this. And this is a very good product because this is the only one of those products that has got shimmer, and I apply everywhere on my face except unlike the Hollywood filter and the Glotion from L'Oreal, because that makes my pores exaggerated, whereas this one quite subtly sits on my skin and I can wear this on a daily basis. So this brand really has very good products. There was a lot of controversy that they do imitate other products, but I really don't care, because for a customer, so this is the Skin Silk Revolution Luminous Serum Foundation F12, and I find this quite light on my skin, works well for me, and it is compared to the drug it's compared to the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and a lot of its qualities are quite similar, lightweight. The only issue I have with this brand is that it is not does not have a lot of shades, and this shade, as you can see, is a bit light for me. I would have preferred the F13, which wasn't available. I've had this for about a year, and when I was purchasing it, I didn't find F13 or even F13 4.5. I'm not sure how they look like. I wonder if they match better with my skin. I wanted to do a voiceover, but I think it's going to take a lot more time to edit it and post it, so I'm going to post this direct. This is a matte blush from Revolution. I'll wear this quite often. I like the muted color from it, and it's very something very friendly for work, because I'm going to be heading for work. I'm not going to apply a lot of blush. This is one of the other ones. It's got a highlighter and a blush. This is called the, not sure what the shade is. Oh yes, Flushing Pink. So I'm going to apply just a little bit, a touch of it in my cheeks. I'm just going to blend that in. I actually did forget to contour, so I used my favorite Glow Edit Cream Contour and Bronze Stick. It's a cream one, and it really works well for me. You must have seen me using this in multiple videos. This is my go-to. I replace it every time it runs out. So as I was saying, that foundation from Revolution is quite lightweight, vegan. All of their products are vegan and cruelty-free, which I like, and still has a lot of good skin care things like peptides in the foundation, which I like as well. Now I'm going to blend that in. So very lightly, because we are going to work today, and this is something I wanted to do because this is how I would use this for my everyday wear. Definitely this is a full face of Revolution Cosmetics that I could do on a daily basis. Then I am going to apply my concealer. For the concealer, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is a full coverage concealer, and I'm just going to apply it at the back of my hand, just a little bit because we don't want a lot today. And taking my concealer brush, just going in the inner corners. This is a fantastic full coverage concealer that I buy along with my Milani. I believe this is quite an underrated concealer that is a good quality one and does not break the bank. Today, I don't know why my words are not quite clear. I'm sorry about that. And I think it was about 20 bucks. Can't remember that. So most of Revolution Cosmetics products are around that $20 or $12 mark, which makes it quite affordable. Now for the eye, we are going to use the Revolution Reloaded Velvette Rose palette, and I am going to use a fluffy brush. I'm going to take just this light color there. I thought I had something on the brush. No, I don't. So just neutralizing all the shades, the double shade that I have. I do have a bit of pigmentation. I did apply a little bit micellar water yesterday. That's why that looks a little bit discolored. And then just define my inner corners. It's a quick makeup, and this eyeshadow palette is very good for that. Then I'm just going to take this shimmer in there and then apply it in the inner corners of my eyes and just blend that in. So making it bright in the center. Now I do have this shimmer. It looks like this. Not very shimmer person for work, but we can apply just for the look. We can apply so you can see why I like this product. This is called the Revolution Glitter Mousse, and it works well, better than the NYX one. I do like this one. It comes in a silver color and a champagne gold color. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use the pencil from Revolution. It's got a gel on the other end. This one is the only one that, and the mascara that is in with shimmer is not my, I've not used other mascaras. The shimmer one is not my favorite. It just creates a mess everywhere, and I'll show you guys. I'm not going to apply it because this is my work makeup, and definitely shimmer would not be something my patients would appreciate. They think the doctor's gone cuckoo. And this sits quite well if you want a quick brow. I do still prefer my builder brow, if you ask me, if it's my favorite. And then you can just go on this other end and apply the gel. So I don't have a mascara that is not shimmery from Revolution. I'm using my trusted Maybelline in black, and this is a good one as well. So I'll show you the mascara that I was talking about from Revolution. So this is the mascara, and it gives you that glitter on the eyelashes. So now we've done that, I'm just going to apply some powder. For the powder, I'm using the Revolution Cosmetic translucent powder, and I'm just going to use my Sephora sponge, just a little bit, not too much, just where we concealed is my only target areas, just so it's. For the powder blush, I'm going to use the Revolution Makeup Sugar and Spice blush palette, and I'm just going to take a swipe, probably more on the lighter shades as well as I'm going to work. But this is a very good palette to use for every day and gives you that pink blushed up look. It also has the shimmer, which you can use for highlighter or you can use it for eyeshadow. I'm not going to be using that today because I'm going to work. For the lip, I don't have a lipstick, but I do have a lip pencil, which I use quite often from Revolution Cosmetics. And this is the shade TGIF. It's very creamy. And you can basically just apply it on the whole lid. It can give you a really good burgundy color. But I'm not a dark lip person, so I'm just going to skip that. I'm just going to use one of the other brands lip oil to just. For the setting spray, I would use the Revolution Matte Fix Setting Spray, just a little bit, and I would let that dry. So overall, love this foundation, love the finish. I would use this on a regular basis. I have been using it. The concealer, the glow, which is the 4-in-1 Face Glow, much better than the Maybelline one. I love it better than most of my glow ones, even the Glotion, because it does not give that excessive shimmer. Very appropriate for my age. And I like the Skin Silk foundation. I like the eyeshadow palette. I like the blush palette. The shimmer better than NYX. The blur stick, amazing. I would use this and replace most of these products. The Magic Cream, winter months, yes, definitely. The contour requires a special mention. It's one of my favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Have a good morning, guys.